Hey guys, it's me Adam, it's me Hayden. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to make chicken quarantine. As you guys can see, these are the ingredients we need. And first of all, we need 1500 gram chicken, which is de-skinned. Then we need 700 grams of chickpeas, which is soaked overnight. First, we need tamarind soaked in water. Then we need coriander powder, garam masala, cumin powder, pepper, chili, turmeric. You also need some chili flakes, 2 onions, coriander leaf, and a couple of chili. Now we're going to start marinating the chicken. We have to squeeze and take only the water out. We will need 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. We will need 1 tablespoon of cumin powder. Spoon of chili, and 1 tablespoon of pepper. We will need half tablespoon of garam masala, and half tablespoon of turmeric powder. Let's not forget the salt. Now let's spread this on the chicken. Make sure to get it everywhere. Let's keep this in the fridge for at least an hour. I'm going to boil the chickpeas in the pressure cooker. And I'm going to add some water. We're going to roast the almonds, cashews, peanuts with ghee, and we will roast the raisins at the end.
1-0.
The roasted nuts and raisins and the chickpeas is ready. But first we will stuff the chicken with the nuts and raisins. Now we are going to grill the chicken. Let's add some olive oil first. It's been 30 minutes since the chicken has been in the griller. Before the last 10-15 minutes, you need to mix this and add it to the chicken. Only take the chili flakes 1 teaspoon. Add salt as needed. Mix it very well. So let's add some olive oil in there. We hope you like the video, and we hope you try our recipe. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe.